Okay, it's starting to sprinkle, so I'm probably done here almost. But this is the Agastache. It's, what, 3-4 feet tall? If you take a look down here, you can see new growth. So because you see these new green leaves, it means that it's definitely ready to be trimmed. And you can go all the way down to the ground, or to be safe, you can cut above a node. But if you look at that branch, once you cut it, you'll see that it is not alive. So there's no need for it. You can just completely cut it off. There, it's even brown all the way down there. It took me about 30 seconds to cut off all the branches, and there's a little clump of sticks. You can cut lower if you want, but it's ready. Soon it'll be 3 to 4 inches tall. I mean feet. With purple flowing flowers that the bees love. Here's the Agastache 12 days after I pruned it. You can see where I cut it here and here, but the new growth has totally covered that, so you can't even tell.